All right, what's up, everybody? Another day, another episode here in Las Vegas. So we have something new, something special for you guys. We're going to change things up. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to go out and we're going to take a look at some investment properties, rehab, flip properties. Because the market out here in Las Vegas is so hot right now. There's so many rehabbers out here right now flipping properties. So what we're going to do today is take a look at 3 different properties today, 3 different rehabbers, and compare all 3 together and see which one is the best. So the rules for this game is we're going to take a look at the year of the home, the price of the home, the rehab of the home, and also the price per square foot. And you be the one to choose at the end. Let us know who's the best rehabber. Let's go. All right, so all 3 properties are located here in central Las Vegas. All the properties are about within a mile radius of each other. So the first property that we're going to be taking a look today, this is the El Colon property. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Sorry if I butchered the name. It is what it is. Now the price on here is $370,000. It is 2,218 square feet. And let's go inside real quick. Let me just kind of show you guys around. I love the exterior of this home here. And the price per square foot is $167 a square foot. Did I say it was built in 1967?
No, you didn't.
I'm sorry, 1963?
Nope.
Well, it was built in 1963. So let's take a look. So on the exterior here, it looks like they did all painting. They redid everything. They did the exterior painting. Looks like they did the doors with some brand new fixtures, which is really nice. Oh, take a look at this, Rudy. Look at this. They did all new flooring on here. Isn't this kind of cool? Right here off to the left-hand side, it looks like they have the living room with the vinyl flooring here. And looks like they did all new baseboards. Looks like 8 inches on the baseboards. They painted everything. Original fireplace, which is really nice. And I noticed what they did here was they added all LED can lighting, which is kind of cool. I definitely do love that. It looks like the original cabinets here, but it looks like they painted the original cabinets. So right down here we have the other bedrooms. Looks like you have the original thermostat. So let's take a look at this bathroom right here. As we come in the bathroom, it looks like they replaced the countertops, the cabinets itself, and a full frame mirror. And on this side they replaced the brand new toilets, but it looks like they kept the original cast iron tub on here and they just did a regular backsplash. Now coming into the first bedroom, okay? So the first bedroom, what I like about this is a couple things. Number one, they did the flooring throughout, right? So it looks really nice. But instead of the ceiling fan, it looks like they did the LED lights. So they actually had an electrician come in here to redo everything, which is really nice. Again, they did the baseboards, paint, texture, brand new doors, brand new fixtures. However, the windows are the original windows of the house. Now this second bedroom right here is actually considered a master. On this one you do have the 4-can LED lighting as well, but I do love this window. Take a look at this window bay right here.
I know,
isn't this gorgeous?
Yeah, that was the first thing I noticed when I came in here.
Yeah, that just takes you to the outside. Now it looks like what they did was put a barn door here that leads right into your master bathroom. But this master bathroom is a 3/4. I'm going to turn this on and it might be a little bit loud because of the fan. So it looks like they tiled this all the way up. I love how they took this glass, added this glass right here. This is a good idea. I might have to do this with one of my flips. Look at this. Isn't that cool?
It is nice.
They did brand new vanity, brand new sink. So I mean, they did a lot of stuff here as well. And look at the charm right here with this little fixture right here. Kind of a cool little idea. Now in the third bedroom, if we take a look at the square footage on here, it's not that big. It's pretty much a 10 by 10, and that's pretty much going to be standard for homes that were built in this time period. Everything is all stock and standard on here. You got the brand new doors too as well, which is really nice. What do we got right here? Let's take a look. Okay, some extra closet space. That's cool. I love that orange door. Don't you really love that orange door? It kind of gives you that modern look.
Yeah.
Now coming into the kitchen, Looks like the kitchen. Let's see if they refurbished the kitchen cabinets. So these look like brand new kitchen cabinets, shakers, but I can't tell if they're the same. Okay, so, oh, this is brilliant. So it looks like what they did was replace the front cabinets. I'm sorry, the front doors, but the cabinets itself were replaced. And they replaced this with the countertops. Now this is not quartz countertops. This is some sort of man-made, okay? I've never seen this before. It's almost like a Formica type of a product, which is kind of unique. So it looks like you got the GE appliances package, and also the other thing you're going to notice that homes that are around this area and the time that it was built, a lot of that stuff was really built using electric versus gas, okay? And look at the upgrades that they did on this one right here. They actually did a Blanca sink, undermounted sink, and I love the fact how this one actually overlooks to the outside as you're washing dishes. So I think this is kind of cool. What else we got over here? Wow, they did the LED lights in here too as well. So it looks like down here we do have like a playroom, and this almost looks like the original garage. And what you're going to notice, a lot of these homes, they'll take the garage and they'll actually convert it. Make sure you do get the permits too as well to show that you have this additional living space. But I do love this. This is really nice. Pretty large. And also homes around this time period in this area, you're going to notice that there's no HOAs. What else we got here? Looks like we have some storage, a little stiff. Me personally, I'd probably just take this out. And we got some more storage here, and it looks like this is where your washer and your dryer is going to go, and this is a electric dryer. So all this right here was a part of the garage. Now let's go to the back. Now it looks like the back here with the lattice and all this stuff, this was originally here. It looks like they repainted it. And it also looks like what they did for the backyard landscaping, they came in here with some little rocks, added some rocks, repainted the trim, repainted the outside. Okay, the square footage for the home, I don't know if I mentioned it, it's actually 2,128 square feet, but the lot size on here is 6,098 square feet. So it is a pretty nice, decent sized backyard. Also, one thing I noticed, homes in this time period, right? The utilities are not ran underground. So what happens is everything is pretty much tapped from the pole here as far as electrical. All right, guys, we just got done with this first one. Please let us know what you think about this one. Just a reminder, this one is at $370,000. It was built in 1963, and the price per square foot, you're paying $167 a square foot. Also, let us know what your thoughts about the rehab. I definitely do like the interior design on this one. Let me know in the comments below. Off to the next one. So now we are here at the second property, the San Bernardino property. This property right here, the asking price for this flip is $325,000. It is 1,739 square feet, has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and it was built in 1963. So let's compare this to the first property. So it looks like for me, right away, I can tell you that you have concrete for the exterior stone. The reason why I don't like the concrete is because when you try to heat up the house or cool the house, it's going to cost you more money. So that's one thing that I've seen. But let's take a look at this right here, Rudy. On the other one, the first one didn't have the driveway, right? On the L Cologne. Yeah. That one didn't have a driveway because what they did was they took that 2-car garage and converted it into more living space, which makes sense. This one kind of has a drive-through all the way back, and it looks like you could possibly fit an RV. Oh, wow. So it looks like on this one, they painted the interior, redid the baseboards, and they did some tile flooring here, and this is like the wood tile. I noticed that as you come up, you step up on here, which is kind of cool. It's a little bit different. Also, I noticed the windows here are the original windows, but remember, a lot of these rehabbers buying homes around this time period, they are not going to replace the windows because it's not cost effective. On this one, they didn't even scrape the popcorn ceiling, I noticed. Now the kitchen has a nice, oh, I got fooled. I thought this was actually some sort of granite here, but it's just a sleeve that has like one of those stickers on it that looks marble. Wow. But you do have the nice quartz countertops here. And it looks like they did the cabinets here. So these are custom shakers here. They added a new sink and a beautiful backsplash on here, which is pretty nice. Now we're gonna go check out the other bedrooms here, and I noticed that it tiers up from another level here. And on the flooring right here, these are actually wood flooring, which is really nice. So we're gonna start back here. We have a bedroom here, and it looks like another bedroom here, but I think this one is a master. So let's go into the master. So I've noticed on the wood flooring here, what they did was they kept the baseboards the way they were, and what they did was use another footing to cover up the the wood flooring here. Did brand new doors. Let's take a look at the master bath. So the master bath is a little bit tight here. This is like the 3/4 bath, and this looks like one of those things where you come into like, you ever seen like, what do you call Star Trek?
Yeah.
Where like, beam me up, Scotty.
Yeah.
That's cool, right?
Yeah, teleportation tube.
That's what it is.
What's that right there in the wall?
So right here, this is just old school extra closet back in the days right here.
Oh, wow.
So what they did was just paint this down, but you can tell just the kind of work on it. They just basically threw paint on it, didn't sand it down or anything like that. That's why you see a lot of the brush strokes, but I mean, it is what it is. So coming into the second bedroom, you do have a walk-in closet, and I noticed on this one, they didn't add more LED lights or anything like that to this spec. Basically, they just did the flooring, the painting, and just did a couple things on this. Now let's take a look at the bathroom here. So looks like the bathroom, they did a 36 inches on the vanity, brand new countertops, under-mounted sinks, nice 6-inch on the backsplash here, put a brand new window. Now on this tub, with this cast iron tub, this is the original tub. They did the backsplash. However, on this tub is the original color with this coloration here. They should have at least did the, what do you call? I was gonna say powder coat, but it's not powder coat. It's basically you're sanding it and just resurfacing the tub. That's what it is. The backyard, and this is why I like this property, and I was very intrigued to add this to the list, is because look how huge this backyard is. This backyard is about 6,100 square feet. On the last one was also about 6,100 square feet too as well, but the setback was completely different. And what I mean by that is if you take a look at homes during this time period, and we always talk about setback, it's where the home is actually replaced. So in the first one, it was placed more back, so you had more front yard, but you lost the backyard. And this one was placed more in front, you get more of the backyard. Also, with this property, it also does come with barking dogs too as well. But I do love the fact that they put the mulch, what's this called, mulch, right?
Mulch, rubber mulch.
Is this the rubber one or no?
It felt like when I stepped on it, it might not be.
Oh, it is rubber mulch. Take a look at this. This is cool, guys. Look at that.
Yeah.
Love the synthetic grass. Looks like they did redo the concrete. And it looks like back here, this is where you're gonna have your washer and the dryer. Again, homes in this time period, your washer and dryer is in the backyard. All right, guys, we are here at the final and last property. We say the best for last. You know what? I don't want to say save the best for last because now I'm kind of steering. Because at the end of the day, you guys need to be the judge. Who has a better property? So this property right here is the Golden Spring property. The asking price is $360,000. It was built in 1977, and it has a total of 1,548 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. What I do like about this one, right? It actually has a pool. Now also, you are paying $232 a square foot. So let's go inside, let's take a look. I've noticed on this one you have a 2-car garage too as well, which is really nice. Looks like they did the front landscaping on this one. On the exterior, they did the painting on the exterior, and I noticed that they actually changed out some of the windows here too as well. So let's go inside. Now as we step inside, there's something that I want to show you. This is actually the original door, okay? They refurbished the door, and look how beautiful the texture of this door is. Really nice. Now I noticed that in this rehab, it did not come with any type of blinds. Now, the flooring, these are all vinyl flooring, 6-inch straight edge baseboards, orange peel texture, 2-tone paint. I definitely do love the color scheme. All right, as we come down the hallway here, off to the left, we have the kitchen. And what I like about this rehab is that you have this beautiful, nice peninsula that overlooks the main living area. And then you also have the dual basin sink too as well. And take a look at all of the fixtures. They did a really good job as far as the fixtures. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, really nice. And all brand new cabinets, full overlaid cabinets. Take a look at this, beautiful. So this is actually not MDFs. These are actually hardwood, but they're actually stapled with the side glides. So this is really good drawers here. Now as we're coming down the hallway here, you can see all the walls have been retextured, which is really nice. We have a bedroom here, then we have 2 other bedrooms here. You know what, let's pick this bedroom right here, because these other bedrooms are pretty much the same. So it looks like the bedrooms are pretty much like standard 10 by 10 on here. Looks like they did rehang the doors here, closet doors, and put some new dowel rods, which is really nice, and added also a fixture, okay? You do have the original casing. Now coming into the bathroom here, I'm gonna turn this on real quick. So everything here in the bathroom is completely brand new. You got a brand new toilet, nice high vanity, 36 inches with the quartz countertops. And take a look at this mirror right here. Really nice fixtures too as well. And the tub, this is what I'm talking about. This is a true rehabber. So they did the backsplash, did some nice decorative tiles, and also they kept the original tub. With the cast iron tub, what they did was resurface it and glaze the tub, which is really nice. Now let's come into the master. Now the master is pretty large. I'm gonna say the master is probably like 15 by 13 feet. And there's a lot of light that does come in. So inside the master bath, as you can see, we do have the high countertops again too as well, the 36 under-mounted sinks, and you have the nice fixtures that match the main bathroom. And here is your stand-up shower that matches the main bathroom again as well, which is really nice. All these decorative tiles. I love the floor pan, the pan on here too as well. Brand new carpets. They did all brand new doors. Okay. But now I gotta show you guys the most important thing about this home, the #1 feature, even though the price per square foot is so high on this home. Let's go. Now coming out to the backyard. Now this is the #1 selling feature right here, is this backyard. Take a look how gorgeous this pool is. However, it looks like the pool tiles definitely need to be resurfaced on this one. But like I said, there's pros and cons to all of these homes. I really want to know which one you guys like the best. You guys like the El Clone property #1, or San Bernardino property #2, or is it this one right here, the Golden Springs? Let me know in the comments below. And also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, because that definitely helps out the algorithm. Yes, it definitely helps out the algorithm. And one more. There's one more to it. Isn't there a notification bell?
Yeah, hit the notification bell.
Bing, hit that notification bell, guys. Other than that, till next time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. Peace.